2021 Toyota Camry. Before we start, please subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell, so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The Toyota Camry is an automobile sold internationally by the Japanese manufacturer Toyota since 1982, spanning multiple generations. Originally compact in size narrow body, later Camry models have grown to fit the mid-size classification wide body, although the two sizes coexisted in the 1990s. Since the release of the wide-bodied versions, Camry has been extolled by Toyota as the firm's second world car after the Corolla. In Japan, Camry was once exclusive to Toyota Corolla store retail dealerships. Narrow-body cars also spawned a rebadged sibling in Japan, the Toyota Vista, also introduced in 1982 and sold at Toyota Vista store locations. Diesel fuel versions have previously retailed at Toyota Diesel store. The Vista RDO was a wagon version of the Vista V50. The latest generation of the Toyota Camry adopts a much sharper, more aggressive look than the sometimes unassuming, some might say boring, appearance of earlier models. Toyota quickly released Camry Gazoo Racing Sports Aerodynamic Kit. Although Camry's original design is already very sporty, after the GR kit is on the body, it seems to have a feeling of even more wings. The slightly modified Camry was released in the Japanese market not long ago. It also follows the tradition of other Toyota models. Toyota major refitting companies have launched modification kits for this car. The most special style is the GR Sport is Up. In fact, this version does not take the exaggerated route like Modellista, but is modified on the original details and added side skirts, so basically it has not changed much, but it seems that the style is stronger. The construction of movement is quite successful. Angular side sills decorate the lower flanks of the car. At the back, a rear lip spoiler is on the tip of the trunk. Revised rear bumper trim spans the area between the exhausts. The GR parts also include a set of 19-inch wheels with a complicated spoke pattern in black and a polished trim. The Modellista components include a set of 19-inch wheels with an angular spoke pattern. There is also a 17-inch design with a swirling pattern. In terms of interior decoration, the biggest change is that the touchscreen host originally attached to the center console has become a standalone design. In addition, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay have also become standard equipment, and the vehicle has been introduced to Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 version. This version adjusts the sensitivity of advanced active safety equipment. This system can not only run at night, but even when you turn, the system will stop when it detects a specific situation, which is more reliable. In terms of engine, Camry uses a 2.5-liter dynamic force engine hybrid version, with a 215 comprehensive maximum horsepower performance. In addition to providing performance, the vehicle's fuel consumption performance is also retained. If this is the case in the same class of car, the engine output is actually very good. With the addition of the GR Sport Kit, Camry has completely changed from an uncle car to a sports touring car. In the US, Toyota just updated the Camry for the 2021 model year. There are small aesthetic tweaks that make the sedan look a little sharper. The company improved the Safety Tech Suite camera and radar elements for longer range sensing and better functionality in low light conditions. The company also adds an XSE trim level for the Camry Hybrid. What do you think of 2021 Toyota Camry? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.